Thinking about adding a card reader to your vending or amusement machine? It's a smart move. In today's world, cashless payments no longer a luxury. It's a must. But not all card readers are built the same. In this video, we'll help you match the right card reader to your specific needs, so you can boost your revenue and deliver a seamless experience. Let's dive in. If you're looking for an affordable, reliable, and versatile card reader, start with the G11 Cashless Kit. This is Cantaloupe's most popular option. It comes with a secure card reader and a telemeter. It processes transactions quickly so your customers aren't left waiting. This is a solid choice for nearly any vending machine or self-service location. Whether you're just starting out or upgrading existing machines, the G11 Cashless Kit makes going cashless easy. Want to attract more customers and more sales? Check out the Engage card reader. It features a full-color touchscreen that grabs attention. You can use it to run promotional ads and boost engagement. Customers can tap, insert, or swipe their cards and mobile wallets. And it's an all-in-one design that simplifies installation by combining the telemeter and reader. The Engage is great for busy locations where competition is high and standing out matters, like corporate offices, college campuses, or high-traffic retail spaces. Got an older machine with limited room for upgrades? The Engage combo has you covered. It's designed to fit directly over existing bill validators, so you keep the ability to accept cash while adding sleek cashless tech. Like the Engage, it has a touchscreen, ad display, and an all-in-one telemeter. This is a smart solution for locations where cash is still common. Think small waiting areas, car washes, or breweries. If security is your top concern, the G11 Chip Kit delivers peace of mind. It supports EMV, swipe, and tap payments. Chip inserts offer stronger fraud protection than traditional swipe readers, and it's built for speed and security without the complexity. Perfect for areas where higher risk of fraud or operators who want to ensure PCI compliance and secure payment processing across their fleet. Still operating coin-based machines? Well, you can still go cashless. No overhaul required. The G11 Pulse Kit is built for arcade machines, clawed machines, jukeboxes, airvacs, massage chairs, even driving range dispensers. It's plug-and-play solution that upgrades your coin-operated equipment with digital payments, giving your customers the convenience of tapping a card or phone. You'll increase average ticket sizes and reduce coin handling headaches. For a more advanced option, check out the Engage Pulse. It combines a reader and telemeter. It includes ladder pricing screen to encourage upsells, and it features a modern design that elevates your machine's appeal. And if you're tight on space, the Engage Combo Pulse gives you the same great features, but fits over a bill acceptor. No need to remove the cash options. Choosing the right card reader isn't just about features. It's about matching your equipment to your location and customer behavior. From vending machines to amusement games, Cantaloupe has a solution that fits. Ready to increase your revenue and deliver a smoother experience? Visit cantaloupe.com to explore your options.